BBQ here. Hey, I'm up here in Westchester, Ohio for the Buckeye BBQ Fest. I was up here a couple years ago. Last year I didn't get to make it. I was down in Louisiana at JB Spring Fling. And somebody told me they wasn't having this event this year, but I found out yesterday about it. Anyhow, we're going to go check out the competition and all the good food and what's going on. I brought some of the grandkids with me and Miss DW, and we'll see what they're into here in a minute too. Yeah, I'll show you around and let you know what's going on up here. Glad they had this event again. Got good music playing, plenty of vendors. Some folks are coming out. The weather might have deterred some of them from coming out early, but sun's supposed to come out and it's supposed to be really nice. And over here, we got some of the kiddie rides in the background there. Some of the slide rides and things. And we got the petting zoo again. I think Miss DW is way over there. I see her, and then the grandkids. Let me zoom in on them. There they are over there. Anybody want some ice cream on a cool day? There you go. And we'll see what's going on down here in the competition in the back there. We'll check out what they might be preparing right now. Oh yeah. It's going to be a good time here today. Oh yeah. Let's go check it out. All right, let's walk around and check out the vending area. This is one wing of the vending area. So check out some good barbecue here to eat. See what they got there. Pulled pork, sliders, taco, hot dogs, mac and cheese, and slaw chips. Oh, brisket there. Brisket or taco sliders. Yum, boys, girls. Here we got some funnel cakes, hamburger, brats, German sausage. Yum. Wow. See what else is cooking down here. Remy J's Barbecue. Didn't heard of them before. Okay, what we got over here? Look at all this yumminess. Yeah, they got a little bit of everything here. Cheesesteak, Italian sausage, burgers, fried chicken. Wow, looks really good. Let's go over here and look at it real close. See what we got going on. There we go, look. There's the burgers and bell pepper, onion. Looks yummy. Look at that sausage over here. Isn't that some kind of goodness? Yeah. Wow. It's really good. How's it going today? Real good. Looks really good.
Just ask everybody how many they done.
Hey, look at all this. And down there's a barbecue chicken. Let's get a closer look. Look at that place. That's goodness right there. Got an open grill going on here. All right. Hey, what we got here? Pork belly barbecue competition team. Rub 'em ribs, fill 'em bellies. That looks really good. Man, there's more food here than I could eat in about a week. Oh, there you go, look. Pit to Plate. Like I said before, that's one customer we deliver to. I've ate there a few times. Good barbecue. Like I said, there's good barbecue in Ohio. Just gotta find it. Right here it is. Waffles. Some more barbecue. Oh, like I said, I couldn't eat this much barbecue in a week. We have to try out some here in a little bit. Yeah. Kicking chicken with beans and rice. That sounds good. Oh yeah. Cajun fries. We must have some Cajuns up here. Let's see what else they got. Like I said, they got plenty to eat. I bet you got some good beer down here too. I'll go down here and look. Beer and wine, like I said. I don't see no fancy beer there. That's your standard beer. And like I said, plenty of barbecue. Look at the trophies. Must be good barbecue. Howdy, how y'all doing? Happy holiday. Friendly folks down here too. All right. Go back down here and see what else. Here you go, Cincinnati fans. A real food truck with real Cincinnati style chili. They got their own recipe. I just tried it. Very, very good. I talked to Fadi up there. He's the man. Great, great chili product. We're gonna have to look these guys up on Facebook. Check them out on Facebook. Anybody in the Cincinnati area might want to check out where they're going to be, where they're going to have their truck. They're going to have a big festival up here for just food trucks, August 12th, I believe he said. So come on up to Westchester, August 12th, and meet Fadi in the Chili Hut. Great chili, for sure. Like I said, they got more barbecue here, and you could shake a stick at it. It's all good too. Well, at least most of it. All right. Butt Shack Barbecue. There you go. Look at the chicken in there. There you go. Looking good for sure. All right, let's get on back up here. Check out some more. Good barbecue. We got Jim Dandy's here. Good barbecue. Jim Dandy's a great guy. And got something going on back there in the smoker. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm looking at it right now. I got it zoomed in. And another picture of Jim Dandy's. There's Jim over there. Having a pretty good time here. I just talked to him. He's doing good. Here's his concession trailer. He's got a restaurant down here, Sharon Road. Anybody in Cincinnati wants to check out Jim Dandy's. Good place to eat. And some more barbecue. Plenty to eat. I just found out that this is not a barbecue competition anymore. So there's no competitors to show you, but there's plenty of goodness down here to let you check out. We have plenty of vendors. Wicked Hickory Barbecue. There's Miss Paroli's Pie. Oh wow, I'll tell you what, that's some fine looking pies right here. I'll show you again in this video. some blackberry pie there.
Okay, 12. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. Yummy dessert for sure right here. See what else we got going on down here. We got some knives. More barbecue. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what. I never seen as many great vendors in one spot here in Cincinnati. I love it. Smitty's Barbecue and Catering. Bourbon chicken. Euros. Oh yeah. Look at all that. All right. Man. Yum, boys and girls. Grilling here. Got some grilling. Guys back there getting some meat ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a line here, so you know it's good. Let me see. Yeah. I seen these guys at the River Grill before the big chill last fall. Well, most of them was there. So, see what else we got down here. Some more goodness. Oh, we even got donuts here. So, get your donut for dessert. Homemade corn dogs, chicken. Look at all this goodness. Look at that.
Won't be the first one to do that. Believe it or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. Looks good. Chicken on a stick. Some more gyro. Oh yeah. All right. Lucky Dog Grill. Huh, just right down the street here. Haven't ate there before. It's good too, I bet. Yeah, kind of missed the competition part of it. They used to be back in this parking lot area here. And that big tent down there, that's where the judges area was last year. So, sorry to report there's no competition. As I stated at the beginning of the video. But let's go back here and get a beer and sit around and listen to some good music. And get us some barbecue. Alright? Hey y'all. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video of the Buckeye BBQ Fest here in Westchester, Ohio. Having a good time. It started to sprinkle here a little bit. Probably getting rain on the lens. But I'm going to get off here and enjoy some barbecue and a beer. And enjoy some music. I'll show you some pics and some video of the band here shortly. So good to see y'all. Hope you come back and y'all take care out there. See ya. There you go. Cheers.
I don't care how much I gotta spend. I got to get back to my baby again. said she